Once again, let's watch this video briefings.
Study hard so that you can get your dream. Happy birthday. I know this is your special day. Enjoy your 18th birthday today. Big dream. Miss you. And I will see you soon when Nanay Amy come home. God bless you all. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday sa iyo, Maylene. Maraming pa sana ang blessings mula kay God at ipagkaloob sa iyo dahil alam ko napakabuti mong bata, napakabuti mong tao. Okay, at sana ay maging special ang araw na ito para sa iyo dahil ito ang araw ng iyong kaarawan. Andito lang kami palagi sa likod mo na nakasuporta para sa pag-abot mo ng iyong pangarap. At ituloy mo lang kung alin na simulan mo. Alam ko na napakalaki ng pangarap mo para sa sarili mo, lalo na para sa pamilya mo. More birthdays to come. Enjoy your day and I love you. Ayun, ingat ka palagi na yung
God bless.
Hello Maylene, kamusta ka? Kamusta kayo dyan? Ngayon ay magtitiwan ka lang ng 18th birthday mo. At ang wish ko sa iyo ay sana ay maging malusog ka palagi, makatapos ka sa iyong pag-aaral, at isa rin sa mga advice ko sa iyo na maging makinig lang sa mga taong nakakatanda o nakakapalibot sa iyo, at iwas ka sa mga taong bad influence. Yun. So, alam kong nasa mabuting kamay ka. Nandyan ka sa pamilya nila Sir Paul, kina Ma'am Nida, Tito Herns, at mga taong nagmamahal sa iyo. At yun, isa sa mga bilin ko rin na sana bilang isang katutubo, yun laging tandaan natin kung sabi ng dato na huwag kalimutan ang tribo, palaging ipagmalaki, at huwag makalimot kung ano ang pinagmulan, kung saan ka nagmula. At alam kong mahal na mahal ka ng mga kababayan natin na nakasubaybay ng iyong kwento ng iyong buhay, at lalong-lalo na sa pamilya ni Sir Paul na tinuring kang higit pa sa anak o pamilya. Kaya enjoy sa iyong birthday at God bless. Sana hindi mo makakalimutan yung mga taong nakapalibot o nagdala sa iyo dyan, lalo-lalo na si Sir Paul at ang team. So, siyempre sa buong mga dato na umayag, ngayon ay nandyan ka na. So, good luck and happy birthday. God bless sa iyo dyan.
Happy birthday. Wish ko lang sa iyo, sana matupad lahat ng mga pangarap mo at magtapos ka ng iyong pag-aaral. Sundin mo lahat ang payo ng mga nakatatanda sa iyo. Daddy Paul mo, alam kong mabait kang bata. Stay as you are. At sana maging masaya ka sa birthday mo ito. Love you. Happy birthday.
Thank you very much for watching. And at this point in time, we'd like to invite Mommy Nida on stage to share a message. Maylene, this is from Tita Edna and Doc Lexi. And on behalf of them, Mommy Nida will be reading the message and the gifts afterwards.
Good evening po sa lahat. Ito po ay message po from our sponsor, Doc Lexi, and Mommy po ni Doc Lexi from California. Hi, Maylene. Here's the message from Ma'am Edna. Hi, hello. Happy 18th birthday. Embrace this new phase of life with courage and confidence. The world is yours to explore. As you turn 18, remember that you have the power to shape your future. Dream big and go after what you want. Welcome to adulthood. May your heart be filled with passion and your mind with your wisdom, and you embark on this exciting journey. Happy birthday and always be grateful. Enjoy your day and can't wait to see you in person soon. Love, Tita Eds. And another message from your sponsor, Doc Lexi. Doc Lexi, thank you so much. Here is my wish for Mylene. Happy 18th birthday, Mylene. This is such a special milestone. And I wanted to take a moment to wish you all the happiness in the world on your big day. It's incredible to see how much you've grown and accomplished in over 3 years. When I first see you in YouTube, you really amazed me, and I told my mom. She went through hell just to pursue her dreams. We might not have the same family dynamics, but our determination may be the same. I was 18 when I was graduated in college. As you step in adulthood, I hope you embrace the adventures and opportunities that lie ahead. Remember to be brave and stay curious and never stop learning. Don't be afraid to try the new things and make mistakes and grow from them. Most importantly, always be true to yourself and follow your passions. I'm excited to see the future holds for you, and I will always be here to support you along the way. Wishing your day filled with joy, laughter, and unforgettable moments. Medyo mahaba po yung message. Ayan. I just want to remind you that success is not measured by your job, your education, how much money you have, and your kind of car you drive. Success is determined by who you are, how you treat others, and how you live your life. I'm always to help and support all you the way. You can message my mom if you need something. And lastly, I want to learn to speak English. Kasi ano po siya, lumaki po siya sa US, kaya pero nakakaintindi po siya ng English, ay ng Tagalog. So I can talk to you sometimes. Happy birthday, Mylene. I have a little gift for you to start your life a young adult, and I want you to put it into the bank and see to your future, and how knows one day you can come here. I want the best for you, and looking forward for your dreams to come true. We love you, Doc Lexi.
Thank you very much.
Okay. Iaabot ko to sa'yo. Kanina naabot na yan. Happy birthday, Mylene. Ayan. And isasabay ko na rin yung wish ko. Ayan, patuloy ka lang sa iyong pangarap, anak. Simula, alam ko yung lahat ng pinagdaanan mo. Isa rin ako sa umiyak sa'yo. At mag-4 years na po sa akin si Mylene. Go ka lang sa iyong pangarap. Pagpatuloy mo yung dream mo. Kung ano man yung mga pagsubok, alam ko matapang ka. At isa kang mapagmahal na anak. Lalong-lalo na sa iyong pamilya, sa mama at papa mo. Alam ko lang na love mo sila. Kahit mayroong nangyaring gap sa inyo, pero andiyan ka pa rin. No? Happy birthday ulit, anak. And more celebration and good health palagi. Thank you.
Thank you very much once again.
Kaya yan sa iyo ni Doc Lexi. Ayan, thank you po sa lahat din po. Thank you.
Thank you very much once again, Mama Nina. And now let's keep the ball rolling to the rest of our wishes. Tatawagin ko na po kayo dito, pero as a group na po, dito po sa taas. Together with Elma Umaling, Dr. Raul Felix, Clara Ayag, Willie Chu, Bernette Zapaten, Jean Reyes, Irene Oyog, Neri Cabantao, Ophel Reyes, Paz Copada, Rowena Maneva, Kedito Magton, and Oscar Federico Jr. Yung mga tinawag ko po, akit na tayo sa stage, and we'll be passing the microphone for your love and wishes.